This is my Nissan X-Trail 2016 1.6 DCI 4x4, lifted by the Rising Tuning lift kit by 2 inches. I'm your host Mauro, and let's get straight to this amazing lift kit experience where you are getting more ground clearance and actually being more off-road capable with some Grabber ATT tires. Let's get straight into it. Now I'm more capable off-road, and overall I lifted up for 2 inches or around 6 to up to 7 centimeters depending on how you measure it. So you could be fine with some bigger and crunchier tires. I mounted the 25, 65, 17s, but yes, you will get some slight more clearance on this upper part. Yes, still this clearance is the same. You will be getting a slightly improved departure and approach angle. I have done this lifted conversion to an actual mechanic. On the Rising Tuning website, they are telling that you can actually make this conversion at home with some basic tools. I would really recommend you to go to a mechanic and get this done by a professional. One thing to consider when mounting this lift kit, that you will lose for sure your original warranty for the car. And yes, because these are aftermarket parts and they're actually raising up the complete body of the car. So maybe you're losing the parts and components from the suspension warranty or actually losing the warranty on the complete car. As you are seeing from the footage, I tried to replicate every little part that I made in the past video and replicate the complete section of the road where I was traveling with the Grabbers 83 and reviewing them. Now I am following in the same path to actually understand how it looks and actually how it performs in the way of the actual handling, height and actual looks when driving through these rocks, mud terrain and actual gravel. One thing you have to understand when going for a Rising Tuning kit, you will get the back spacers for the springs, but not in the front. Actually not for the springs, but for the actual stabilizer bar. So you have to actually do it for yourself or actually tell the mechanic to do it for you. And this is just a metal spacer from each side that cost me 20 euros. In most of the countries, you will actually have to make an homologation to actually meet the standards from your country to actually register this car with this Rising kit. Well, if you're inside Europe, you will have to do it for sure. Outside Europe, in other countries, well, check your legislation, check with the laws and lawmakers. Don't forget to subscribe, because this video takes so much time to edit and film. Thanks for watching and see you on my next one.